everybody, welcome back to today's episode of Drunken Sailor. I want to thank you for joining us. Hope you're enjoying the cocktails, and I hope you hit the subscribe button when you're done if you haven't already. It's summertime almost, but what it is time is the start of the boating season, so we're going to continue making some boat drinks. And today I'm making one that's near and dear to my heart, near and dear to my soul, the Sailor Soul. So let's get started. First, we're going to take our mixing glass and we're going to take one strawberry, cut that in half, and drop it in the glass. We're then going to take a wedge of lemon and put that in the glass also. We're going to muddle those together. Get all the juices out of there. You don't want to beat it up so bad that you turn apart the lemon rind and you'll get some bitterness in there. Next, we are going to go with 2 dashes of Angostura bitters. Next, our agave nectar. This is going to help sweeten it up a little bit. And we're going to use about a teaspoon in there, which is a bar spoon. That goes in there. And of course, what would a boat drink named after a sailor be without rum? So we are going to use 1.5 ounces of coconut rum with this. And that's going in there. That's all the ingredients for this. So now what we're going to do is get some ice, throw that in our shaker, add our shaker tin to it, and give it a good shake. We got to make some more crushed ice. So we're going to get out our trusty Lewis bag. It's a nice heavy-duty canvas bag, just like the sails of the ship. Take a nice big block of ice. And this is where sailors get out their aggression. Instant crushed ice. Now, we'll take our old-fashioned glass. We'll put our ice in there. And we are going to double strain this cocktail. We got big chunks of lemon in there. We've got strawberry seeds, maybe a little bit of green left from the strawberry. It pours nice and slow. We're going to take 1 fresh strawberry, put a nice little cut in this side, and garnish. And that is the Sailor Soul.
Some of that
There's a sailor's wife.
That's very good. That's going to be great on the boat.
There you hear it, folks. A great boat drink.